Hold on tight, folks. What if I told you the future of SUVs is here, and it's packing a serious punch? We're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. And trust me, you're not ready for this. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're absolutely pumped to be talking about the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander. PHEV Mitsubishi has really outdone themselves this time, taking what we loved about the previous model and cranking it up to 11. We're talking about a redesigned exterior that's both rugged and refined, luxurious interior packed with tech, and of course, that amazing plug-in hybrid powertrain. From what we see so far, the changes are more than just cosmetic. The driving experience feels entirely new, with more responsive handling and a quieter, smoother ride. Also, the updated infotainment system seems more intuitive and user-friendly, addressing some of the concerns voiced about the previous generation. It also appears that there has been a redesign of the interior of the car to include more premium-feeling materials. A large emphasis has been put into not only performance enhancements, but on improving the driver and passenger experience with enhanced comfort and safety features. A new range of driver assistance systems has also been implemented for added peace of mind. So, let's explore everything that the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has to offer and see if it lives up to the hype. The real star of the show, of course, is the PHEV powertrain. Mitsubishi has significantly improved the electric range, meaning you can go even further on pure electric power, saving you money on gas and reducing your carbon footprint. And when you need that extra range, the gasoline engine kicks in seamlessly, giving you the freedom to go anywhere. Early reports suggest they've also tweaked the engine and electric motors for even better fuel efficiency and performance. The regenerative braking system seems to be enhanced, allowing for more efficient energy recapture during deceleration. Furthermore, the battery charging time has been reduced, allowing for a faster and more convenient recharge for the driver. A new drive mode option has also been added for drivers to more efficiently control how the engine works to maximize fuel efficiency depending on the type of driving that is needed. The all-wheel drive system has also been updated to provide enhanced traction and stability in various weather conditions,